Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to lock the Evernote app on a mobile device. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time on Evernote, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Locking the Evernote app on a mobile device can help keep your notes secure. Depending on the which platform you are using, all right? In my case, I am using an iOS, which is for iPhone and iPad. Now, I'm gonna quickly go to the homepage of my iPhone, and then now once I am on the home screen of my iPhone, the next thing is I'm going to long press the Evernote app, because what will happen is there is an option here that says require Face ID. Let me show it to you. This one right here. Now, this is going to be one of the easiest solutions for you to be able to lock the app. No one can, of course, accidentally use this or spy on your information. Now, all I have to do is click the require Face ID. Now, you have multiple options here. You can require Face ID for Evernote, and this app will require Face ID or your passcode to open or show content in other apps. App content will not appear on notification, previous, or spotlight. Of course, you have three options or two options: require Face ID, hide, and require Face ID. I'm just gonna click the require Face ID, and boom. Now the app will not be opened accidentally or intentionally by anyone, especially if you're using the device. If, for example, if the device is going to be handled by multiple people in a corporate setup. For example, you are in a company and multiple people are using the same device, and you don't want some sensitive information to be leaked out, or so the idea is that once you try to create a face recognize, it's going to be a lot helpful. Now, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next one.